Are you tired of struggling with poor eyesight? Imagine reversing the problem naturally, without expensive surgeries or invasive procedures. Introducing SightCare, the groundbreaking eye health supplement that harnesses the power of 100% natural ingredients to restore your vision. With a powerful blend of lutein, N-acetyl, cysteine, bilberry fruit, vitamin C, zeaxanthin, niacin, eyebright, quercetin, and more, SightCare nourishes your eye cells and revitalizes your vision. But that's not all. By purchasing SightCare through the link in the comments below, you'll also receive incredible bonuses from me. Don't miss this exclusive opportunity to reclaim your eyesight and unlock the bonuses that await you. Click the link now and embark on your journey to clear vision. Imagine a world where poor eyesight is a distant memory, banished to the depths of history. A world where restoring and maintaining optimal eye health is as effortless as blinking. It may sound too good to be true, but prepare to have your disbelief shattered by SightCare, the groundbreaking eye health supplement that's about to blow your mind. With an unstoppable blend of 100% natural ingredients, SightCare has cracked the code to reverse the relentless grip of poor eyesight. Get ready to be amazed as we unveil the awe-inspiring secrets behind this extraordinary formulation. Lutein, N-acetyl, cysteine, bilberry fruit, vitamin C, zeaxanthin, niacin, eyebright, quercetin, and other remarkable components come together in SightCare's potent blend, joining forces to nourish and revitalize your precious eye cells like never before. Aging may be notorious for robbing us of our vision and leaving us vulnerable to the dreaded age-related macular degeneration, but fear not. SightCare swoops in to save the day, armed with an arsenal of essential nutrients and powerful antioxidants. Brace yourself for a revitalization of your eye health and a newfound clarity in your night vision. But hold on, that's not all. SightCare is also an unstoppable force against the sinister effects of harmful sun rays. Picture this, a world where harmful UV rays no longer stand a chance against your eyes. With its rich anti-inflammatory properties, SightCare fearlessly combats any damage inflicted upon your eyes by those relentless sunbeams. Say goodbye to squinting and discomfort and get ready to embrace a world bathed in the soothing glow of clarity. In a world saturated with dubious dietary supplements, SightCare stands tall as a paragon of trustworthiness and quality. Its revolutionary formula is a haven for those seeking gluten-free, soy-free, and dairy-free options, sparing you from the clutches of unwanted allergens. And that's not all. Harmful GMOs and artificial preservatives have been banished from this life-changing elixir, ensuring that you're only putting the best into your body. Each bottle of SightCare contains 60 vegetarian capsules, a testament to its dedication to catering to all walks of life. Whether you're a passionate advocate for animal welfare or simply seeking a dietary supplement aligned with your lifestyle, SightCare has got your back. But don't just take our word for it, the online community is buzzing with an overwhelming chorus of satisfied customers. Witness the genuine, unadulterated joy of those who have experienced the remarkable transformation that SightCare delivers. Their testimonials serve as a resounding affirmation of its astonishing efficacy. Prepare to be amazed by the mind-blowing power of SightCare, the ultimate eye health solution. This extraordinary supplement harnesses the wondrous potency of natural ingredients, delivering astonishing benefits that will leave you speechless. Say goodbye to poor eyesight as SightCare nourishes your eye cells, fortifying them against damage and preserving your visual acuity. No matter your age, SightCare ensures healthy eyesight for a lifetime. But that's not all. SightCare goes beyond just promoting vision. It acts as a guardian for your overall eye health, combating macular degeneration and protecting against external toxins. With ingredients like N-acetyl, cysteine, bilberry fruit, vitamin C, and lutein, SightCare enhances your visual acuity and shields your eyes from vision loss. Prepare to revel in the joy of healthy eyes. Hold on tight as SightCare takes you on a wild ride to boosted brain health. By improving blood circulation and facilitating better communication between brain and eye cells, SightCare not only enhances your cognitive function but also banishes brain fog and mental fatigue. Embrace the clarity and vitality that SightCare brings to your mind. Are you ready to experience an energy surge like never before? SightCare supports healthy glucose metabolism, enabling your body to burn fat for energy. Get ready to unleash your full potential, as SightCare revives your metabolic rate and fuels you for success in every endeavor. Say goodbye to sluggishness and embrace the invigorating energy boost of SightCare. Prepare to be spellbound by SightCare's ability to support blood circulation, thanks to its exceptional ingredients such as N-acetyl cysteine, zeaxanthin, and quercetin. With improved arterial blood flow and enhanced circulation, SightCare fights off bacterial infections and promotes overall eye health. It's a testament to the astonishing power of this extraordinary supplement. But SightCare doesn't stop there, it even enhances liver function, ensuring a healthy digestive tract and inflammation-free digestion. Unlock the full potential of your liver as SightCare supports its function, leading to improved overall well-being. Prepare for a digestive transformation like never before. But that's not all. Hold on to your seats, because SightCare is here to safeguard your eyes from the menacing specter of macular degeneration. Yes, you heard it right. This extraordinary supplement lowers the risk, protecting your eyes from the jaws of this vision-devouring beast. Say goodbye to harmful substances and embrace the mind-blowing power of SightCare. Your eyes will thank you, your body will thank you, and your mind will be left in awe. Get ready to witness the miraculous transformation that SightCare has in store for you. Experience the transformative effects of SightCare, backed by the 180-day money-back guarantee. If, within 180 days of your purchase, you find that SightCare hasn't eliminated poor eyesight or blurred vision as expected, you can easily claim a refund. That's it for the review.